Welcome to Lotus Student Mentor channel. In this session, we are going to study operator keywords in Python. Operator keywords are and, are, not, in, is. In the previous videos, we mentioned there are 35 keywords in Python. One of the category is operator keywords. In the previous video, we have studied the value keywords true, false, and none. In this session, as I mentioned, and, are, not, in, is important keywords for writing the Python programming. These operator keywords are divided into three categories. One is for logical operations, another one is membership operators, and third one is identity operations. In this, logical operators are among these keywords, and, are, not comes under the category of logical operators, whereas membership operators are in, not in, and identity operators are is and is not. These are the three categories of operation keywords. The main operation keywords, as I mentioned, and, are, not, in, and is. Now coming to the category of logical operators, the Python provides three logical operators. The first operator is the AND. It returns only, it becomes true if both the conditions are true. Otherwise, in the case of AND operation, if you consider it in the truth table, what will happen? The condition 1 is true and the condition 2 is true. Then only the output becomes it is a true in the case of AND operation. If any one of the condition is not true, it becomes false. Whereas in the case of OR operations, it returns true when if at least one condition is true. Very important condition it is. If condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false, then the output return is true in the case of OR operator. Now coming to NOT negates the Boolean value. Coming to the example of logical operator, the logical operators, we are going to x equal to 5. The variable x is assigned with the value is 5 integer, and y variable assigned with the value of the 10. And by using the AND operator, the condition is that print x is greater than 2 and y is greater than 5. Now because these two conditions, x is greater than 2 true and y is greater than 5, yes, both are true, then the output is become true. Next, in the case of OR operator, what to be printed? If you consider the print, any one is false, then also it becomes true. Now x is greater than 10, yes, it is false, but y is greater than 5, it is true. So because OR operator, if you keep it OR operator, then the output becomes true. Now NOT operator, that is a print not x is greater than 2. Not x is greater than 2, that means x is greater than 2 is what? X is greater than 2 true. That is not true means what? False. That is what Boolean value. Now coming to membership operators, there are two types of memberships. These membership operators are highly useful in a sequence. That means check for the presence of a value in a sequence. That is in and not in. In means returns true if the value exists in the sequence. If value doesn't exist in the sequence, then what will happen? That is becomes what? False in the case of in. But whereas not in returns true if the value doesn't exist in the sequence. This in and not in, these are antonyms, the both opposite together. Coming to the example for membership operators, if you consider fruits, this is a list, that is apple, banana, and cherry. By using in operator, just understand print apple in fruits. Is there any apple? Yes, apple is there. Then output becomes true. Now coming to not in appear, print mango not in fruits. Is there any mango in the list of the fruits? Apple, banana, and cherry. There is no mango. That means mango not in fruits. Mango is not there. That means it is true. Understand here, generally, if you don't have a concepts of the operators, what will happen? This in is not the keyword. We'll consider it. If you know the keywords, then only we know this in is the keyword. That's why keywords are very important. Otherwise, if you don't know the knowledge of the keywords, in is we consider it in the programs as the general language, not keywords words. Okay, That's what in is very important, and not in is also is very important. These are membership operators. As I mentioned, identity operators. These identity operators are highly useful to compare memory locations of objects. Now, what are the identity operators? Is and is not. That is, returns. It returns true if both variables refer to the same object, and is not returns true if both variables refers to different objects. Let us see. We can understand better through solving the exam through the program demonstration. Let us see example. A equal to 1 to 3 on the list, and B equal to A. It is true. Yes, B equal to A we are equaling, and C equal to 1 to 3. Now is operator, print A is B. What is print A is B? A is B. We already assigned it variables. That's why it is true. Whereas in the case of is not operator, print A is not C. A is not C. That means it is a C is a different object, because we did not assign any variable here. B, suppose if we give the condition here A equal to C, then it becomes A is not C, then it becomes false. Now A is not C, that means true, that C is a different object. I hope you understood the concept of operators such as logical operators, okay, membership operators and identity operators. Thank you for watching.